Is the SpaceVac Backpack a legitimate product, or is it just another scam? Let's investigate. The SpaceVac Backpack markets itself as a compact portable vacuum cleaner designed for convenience and efficiency, perfect for small spaces, cars, or quick cleanups. Its lightweight design and affordable price point have attracted attention from those seeking a versatile cleaning solution. However, user reviews are mixed. Some customers praise its suction power and ease of use, finding it effective for light cleaning tasks. Others, however, report issues like poor battery life, weak suction, and durability concerns, questioning its overall value. Additionally, complaints about slow shipping, unresponsive customer service, and difficulty obtaining refunds have raised red flags. The lack of detailed product specifications also adds to the skepticism. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.